Hello, thank you so much for tuning in today as we continue looking at scholarship opportunities available for you. Today, we're going to look at opportunities available for you in the Netherlands, which is one of the most popular study destinations in Europe. Well, you're going to get an opportunity to select from about 2,100 English taught study programs and courses. And of course, it's accepting the scholarship opportunities are open for anyone within African countries, Bangladesh, India, Pakistan. Feel free to submit your applications. And the financial benefits would entail a full tuition fee coverage. It would also entail a monthly stipend. It would also entail residence facility. That could be your housing allowance as well. It will also entail a medical insurance, travel allowance, as well as a visa fee. And here is a list of the latest openings for your applications and where you can look at applying for and by the government of Netherlands as well as Netherlands universities. The first one on the list would be the Maastricht University Holland Scholarships 2023. It basically would cover anyone looking for a master's program and it provides about 24 full master's scholarships. It's going to be fully funded and deadline for application would be around February next year. So be on the lookout for that. We also have the Radboud scholarship, the Radboud University scholarships in Netherlands, and this is a university there that will provide an opening for everyone looking for a master's program, and all academic fields are completely taught in English. Remember that you don't have to learn any other language, and all fields and majors are available for master's degree applications within the fields of science, social sciences, arts, medical programs, as well as law. There are about four different scholarships within the Radboud University provision, and you can apply to four different scholarships that are provided. Remember that the first one is the Fulbright Radboud Scholarship, the Orange Tulip Scholarship, or Holland Scholarship, or as well as the Radboud Scholarship Program. Remember, you can apply for the four of them. And deadline is also around February next year, so be on the lookout for that. Provision for this will be fully funded scholarship. The next one on the list is the Laden University Excellence Scholarship. It's going to really cover anyone who's an outstanding performer for a master's program at Laden University. Deadline for this is around February next year, so be on the lookout for that. I've left a link in the description box on where you can check out more information and even submit your application to the Leiden University for this scholarship. The next one would be the Erasmus University Netherlands Scholarship. And of course, this is going to be financed by the Dutch Ministry of Education for anyone looking to study their undergraduate or bachelor's degree, as well as a master's program in Holland. So, my undergraduate students, this is definitely worth looking out for. So, I'll leave a link as well to check out on how you can submit your application. We also have the TUDELT uh, Excellent Scholarship in Netherlands, fully funded program as well. And this university is, or this scholarship program is ranked 15th in the QS World University Rankings. So definitely look out for that as well as you submit your application. And all international applicants should apply for the Justus and Louise Van Effen Scholarship at Delft University. So I'll leave out a link for you to check out more information and even know how to submit your application. We have the Holland Government Scholarship. It's going to be opening soon, coming month of November. So be on the lookout for that. The Holland Government Scholarship is provided by the Ministry of Education in Holland, and it's open to all international students outside the European Economic Area who want to pursue a degree, a bachelor's degree, or a master's program in Netherlands. For again, my undergraduate students, here you go. This is definitely for you and it's worth looking out for. I'll definitely leave a link for that as well. Next one would be the University of 20 Scholarship, and it offers about 50 scholarships for excellent students from both outside students within the European Union as well as those outside the European Union. And remember, you can apply here for a master's or a graduate program at the University of Twente. The next one on the list is the University of Utrecht University Scholarships. Normally goes by Utrecht University Scholarships, and international as well as domestic students can definitely submit their application here. It's fully funded and deadlines is within December. Uh, Still this year. So as you submit these applications, normally the required documents would be, of course, letters, and I always mention this, you need to be ready with reference letters. You also need to provide a good reference or persons who can actually vouch for you in this case. And of course, you have to have a bachelor's degree for those looking to apply for master's programs. You need to also remember there are programs that will say you need to be not above 35 years old when you're submitting your application. Remember to have all your academic transcripts ready, your passport, because this would be the way they would identify your application or identify you when you submit an application. Remember to have a detailed CV or resume and a letter of motivation. Feel free to reach out to me where you need help. But as I always say, as you go on to submit these applications and you need clarity, even on which program to apply for based on your personality, motivators, a skill set, what you're passionate about, I can definitely provide you this guide or guidance based on an online scientific analysis that will capture what you really enjoy doing, and it will lead you into your three ideal careers. Otherwise, thank you so much for sticking to the end of this video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Pauline Esther, and this is where you get to watch the latest scholarship opportunities as well as my travel stories whenever I get a chance to share with you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to share this video with as many people as can be so we can have these scholarship opportunities out there, and it could be you who gets to get an award of this scholarship and you make your study abroad dream come true. Bye bye for now.